Hi Sunny family, I'm Coach Sophie. Welcome to your 15-minute upper body workout for today. So all you'll need today is a pair of dumbbells. I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 different pairs of dumbbells. So I'm gonna grab a heavier set of dumbbells and a lighter set of dumbbells, just to have some options here. All right, so we're gonna do a pyramid style workout. So we're gonna do everything for 1 minute, 7 exercises, then we've got like a middle exercise we only do 1 time, and then we go reverse direction for the same 7 exercises, right? So let's get this fun one started. It's gonna be quick and effective and give you lots of modifications so you can get through it, all right? So our first exercise is going to be just body weight, kind of a little warm up as well, and we'll finish with this. So it's a push up to a Superman reach, or Superwoman reach, right? So let's go ahead and use that push up position, all right? And we start in 3, 2, 1. So we go push up, reach, and then we come right back up, all right? Push up, reach, and come right back up, all right? So if you need to, you can always go to your knees for those push-ups. Good. Reach, and come. Good, so I'm engaging my lower back, engaging my hamstrings. I'm engaging my upper body as well. Good, so back of my shoulder blades, my lats, all on fire right here. Good, so a little warm up as well for you before we pick up those weights. So this is our only body weight exercise. We'll start and finish with this. All right, we're gonna go ahead and grab a heavier set of dumbbells for that first exercise. We're gonna be on our feet. Good, inhale, exhale, take your time. You can go faster or slower than me. Good, we got about 10 seconds. Hang in there. Good, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, go ahead and stand on up, grab your set of heavier dumbbells. We're gonna start with a reverse grip row to a bicep curl. So 5 times reverse grip row. I'm gonna show you from the side. Good, 5 times here. 3, 4, 5, and then I'm gonna stand on up for a bicep curl. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, right back to it. Alternating between the 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, stand up. So notice that my elbows stay nice and close to my body. If it's getting heavy for you, you can always grab your lighter set of dumbbells, or if you need to, you can alternate. Good. Another way to change the intensity of your workout is to change the tempo. So sometimes it doesn't mean going faster, sometimes that means going slower. Good job, team. Good, last round. We go into a single arm snatch. So we're gonna do 1 dumbbell. Good, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good, go ahead and grab just 1 dumbbell. All right, so we're gonna do a single arm snatch. So 30 seconds on one side, we grab it close to the body and straight up overhead, right? 30 seconds on one side, 30 seconds on the other side. So you gotta use your legs a little bit here. Good. Inhale, exhale. Looking good, team. So we're gonna grab our lighter set of dumbbells when we're done with these 2. Good. Press. Press. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and switch the other arm right into it. Good. Looking good, team. Good, so let's do some isometric movements here, right? Just isolating one side of the body. You can start to even out any imbalances. Good, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead, grab that lighter set. We're doing front to lateral raise here. So up, out, down, up, in, and down. All right? Good, so you can alternate here if you need to. These get heavy pretty quickly. Good, take your time. So we're going front to lateral, lateral to front, just to give it a little bit of extra spice. Notice I'm only coming shoulder height, right? So you always want to protect those joints. Good, I'll show you from the side as well. Keep breathing, inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Let your breath guide you. Shoulder height, coming out and around. Good job, team. About 20 more seconds. Right, and then we're going to go ahead on the ground on our backs All right, you can use a heavier set of dumbbells for this exercise, or you can stick with your lighter set. All right, we're gonna do a close grip alternating chest press. So we're gonna add that static hold. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. So you can grab your heavier set of dumbbells now. We're gonna be on our backs. All right, so we're gonna do a close grip chest press, alternating. My opposite arm stays straight up. Looking good, team. So really straighten that opposite arm to get it working. Close grip press, I get a little tricep exercise in here too, right? Notice how my elbow stays nice and close to my body. My triceps are engaged. Good. Breathe through, looking good, guys. Hang on, team. You're a little over halfway through. Good. So if you want a little glute work, you can always lift that lower body. If you want to extend your legs, that's an option as well. If you're on a bench, that would work too. Good, lots of ways to modify here. Hang on to it, 10 seconds. All right, we're gonna do a little more tricep working too, but add a little back work. So we're going to do an alternating pullover with a skull crusher. Here we go, in 3, 2, 1. So we go 1 skull crusher, and then we alternate, looking good. 1 skull crusher, good, alternate, and pull over, good. So notice how my dumbbells come right outside my ears. Working the triceps, a little tricep extension, good, and then pull over, and pull over, good. Really get back. If you're on a bench, go below the bench, get that nice extension in, good. Reach, use those lats to pull yourself back up. Nice, reach, and reach. Beautiful. Only one more new exercise, and you only have to do it once. Then we start going down the pyramid. So right up the pyramid, we're gonna do some man makers in the middle, and then we're gonna start going down the pyramid. Good, so our man makers are definitely our most compound movement. Good, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, slowly come back to standing. Keep your heavy weights with you if you can. All right, so for our man makers, we're gonna go ahead and press overhead. We're gonna come down. We're gonna take it back. We're gonna do a push-up. We're gonna row, and then come on back up. All the way up overhead. Good, bring it down. Take it back into a push-up. Good, row, and then stand on up. You only have to do this once, right? We won't be repeating this exercise. After this, we go back to those skull crusher pullovers. Good, push up, row, and stand it up. Remember, you can always come to your knees for this if you need to modify. Good, push up, nice, row, almost 13. About 20 more seconds, hang in there. Push up, row, and stand it up, good. Let's do one more. Good, we'll go right to our backs. Good, let's finish in standing. Good, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, good. Bring it back to your backs. All right, take a little breath. And we're gonna work our way down the pyramid, right? So 1 minute of each exercise and we're done. So 7 minutes to go, right? Here we go, starting with the skull crushers to pullovers. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do the skull crushers. Good, and then alternate those pullovers. Reach, and reach, good. Skull crusher. Good, pullovers, reach, and reach. Good, you guys feeling the burn? I hope so. If you're not feeling the burn by now, do me a favor, grab some heavier weights, or change your tempo, right? Or instead of alternating your pullover, maybe you want to go together. Good, breathe through it. Also, if you get fatigued here, you can alternate your skull crushers here, just like this as well, and then alternate your pullovers. Another option is to just use 1 dumbbell if it's getting too heavy for you. Good, if you just use 1 dumbbell, you won't be alternating that pullover. You'll do it at the same time with the dumbbell, which is fine. Whatever you have to do to get through it. We have about 10 seconds to go. We're going right for that close grip, alternating chest press with the isometric hold. Good, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. So one arm stays up, down and up, down Nice job, team. We're standing it up after this. Grab that lighter set of dumbbells. Good, get in there. Good. Inhale, exhale. Good. And press, and press, press, press. Good job, team. Good. In about 15 seconds, we're gonna stand it up. All right, we're gonna grab that lighter set of dumbbells. Try to do lateral raises. Good, finish it up. Last 3 reps. Good, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, go ahead, stand it up, grab that lighter set of dumbbells. All right, we're going front to lateral raises. Whoop. All right, there we go. Front, out, down, good. Up, in, and down. Good, if this is getting heavy, just right here, alternate them. And right into that second one, alternate. Good. Up, out, down, good. Up, in, down. Good job, team. Up, out, down, good. Up, in, down. Beautiful, hang on to it. Good, we've got those snatches coming up after this. You guys are doing great. Good, 15 seconds. Hang on to it. Remember, alternate if you have to. Take your time. Time under tension, right? It's not about speed. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, go ahead. Single dumbbell, let's do the snatches. Here we go, 30 seconds each side. Good. Push it. And push it. Push it. Nice job. Nice work. Woo! Got 20 more seconds here. We switch sides. Good. Give that oomph. A little power here. Get ready to switch sides. Good. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and switch right into it. Good. No breaks there. Look good, you guys. Good. We've got our 5 shoulder. Rows to biceps curls coming up. Good, hang on to it, 10 seconds. 5 rows to 5 bicep curls. And then we do that push-up to Superman. And then we've got a little 2-minute finisher to finish off that 15 minutes. Good, 3, 2, and 1. Good job, team. All right, underhand grip, 5 rows. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stand it up. 5 bicep curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, team. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hang on to it. Good. Alternating. Take your time. You don't have to go at my tempo. Good. Elbows nice and close to the body. Try not to swing. Nice athletic stance. Back is flat on those rows. Good. Really pull, pull, 4, 5. Let's finish it up. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give me one more set of rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job, team. So before we do we got a 2-minute little burner here. All right, so we're gonna start with a fly. All right, so wide to narrow. Wide to narrow. Good. Only one time through with this, just a little finisher. Good, wide to narrow. Nice. Lift. And lift. Beautiful. So see, I go wide and I come narrow every time. Wide to narrow. Palms are up. Hang on to it. Be good, you guys. We're gonna do a little Locomotive Upright Row to finish off. And then we finish off finally, with our bodyweight exercise, push-ups to reaches. So last new exercise today. Little sneaky part of the end of the pyramid here. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Give me locomotive upright rows. Good. So continuous. You can use your heavier weights here if you want. Notice I'm going quick, so I don't want anything super heavy. My elbows come high, so I'm working my medial delts, top of my shoulder blades. Hang on to it. Good. Give it that push. All we have is our push-up to Superman reach after this. This is our last exercise with the dumbbells. We drop them after this. We do our finisher just like we started, and you guys are done. That's it. All right. Come on. Come on. Hang in there. Good. 30 seconds. Come on. Come on. Woo! Burn it out. Those light weights get heavy fast, right? A little locomotive movement. Quick, quick, quick. Quick, quick, quick. Hang on to it. Last 20 seconds, we drop it to the ground. We drop those weights. Push up to Supermans or Superwomans. Super people. Good. We speed it up a little bit. Last 10. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and drop those weights. Superman reach. Here we go, team. 3, 2, 1. Final minute. Push up, reach. Come on back up. Push up, reach. Come on back up. Good. Notice my legs lift up. I'm working my lower back and my glutes a little bit there. Always gotta sneak in a little bit of glute work. Good. Hang on to it. Good. I like that sneaky end of the pyramid. Had a little extra peak on the end. Almost there, team. Push up and reach. Good, last feet, push through it. It should be burning, it should be uncomfortable, right? We're getting stronger every rep here. 20 seconds and you're done. Inhale, exhale, good. Come to your knees if you have to. Stay strong, stay with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, fight for it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and you made it. Good job, team. Awesome work today. So take some time to stretch it out. I'm gonna sign off. Have an awesome rest of your day. I will see you soon, Sunny family.